Hi guys, my name is Jeremy. I'm with Infinite Northwest, and welcome back to our video e-learning series. Today we're going to be talking about Google Analytics and how we can use it to track the different intelligence and analytics data from our websites. So what is Google Analytics? Basically, Analytics is a tracking script and platform that will tell you about visitors that come to your websites or web properties. It'll tell you how they found it, how they explored it, and give you details on what you can do to enhance their experience or to fix possible problems that you may be unaware of with your websites. Real easy to set up. So let's get going on that right now. Pretty easy. You do need a Google account. Most people by now do have that. So once you're logged into your Google account, just go ahead and cruise over to google.com/analytics. You can log in from here, or if you're already logged in, just go ahead and click on the Access Analytics. That will bring us to the Google Analytics dashboard. This is what it'll look like from the first time that you log into it. Let's go ahead and get this going right now. We're going to actually create a website. I'm sorry, create the tracking code for a website. And we'll plug it into a website, and we'll show you how to do all of that. Let's go ahead and throw up a website here real quick that we want to add tracking to. This web property that we're going to be using is onlinemarketingspokane.com. We'll be adding the code to that right now. We're in the USA here. It's just going to ask for your name and the country here. Make sure you agree to the terms and conditions, otherwise it will not allow you to register an account here. Alright, so we've gotten this far. This is the code that we're going to be injecting into, or actually copying and pasting over to our existing website. So let's do that pretty easily here. Just copy and paste this. If you do have AdWords campaigns set up, you'd be able to track all that through the analytics as well. Just some additional checkboxes that you would be checking here on the side. Do this for every site that you have. You know, we want to get the data and the tracking for every site. I mean, we want to learn as much as we can about this. If we don't know anything about our website and how it's operating, you know, how can we expect to correct problems or be able to even drive traffic to them? So let's grab this code. What we're going to do is just go ahead and copy and paste it. You'll see right here it says copy the following code, paste it into every page that you want to track immediately before the closing head tag. So if you know anything about HTML, head, that is the header tag. This is what the browser looks at first. I already copied and pasted this code. Let's go ahead and throw it in there. I'm going to open up Dreamweaver and add it into this site. As you will see here, we'll make sure that we're in the header section. And we'll make sure we put the code right before the end header code, which is right here. Now it looks like I already have analytics on here, but we'll just copy and paste this right back in here. That was for a different account, so you don't need to worry about that. And that's what the actual code will look like on your website. What you'll want to do now is just go ahead and save this. And then from there, you will upload that HTML file with your FTP client. In this case, I think I'm using Coffee Cup FTP. Real simple though. After this, you'll just hit save and finish. Once that is all uploaded, you now have analytic tracking on your site. Now, I didn't actually upload this or do any of that, so you'll see that it's, you know, the status is still throwing a warning here. But that's just because this site is already up, operational, and does have analytics on it. I just kind of wanted to show you, the process and where the actual code went in the document. So from here, sky's the limit. We can do anything that we want. You can set your goals for how many visits you want to get. When you hit these goals, analytics will let you know. There is all sorts of data that analytics will give you. Some of the data that it does show you would be impressions, how many unique visitors you're getting in a certain time frame, how long that they're on the page, where these visitors are coming from, what they did search to find you. All this stuff is now possible using Google Analytics. You're going to learn a lot about your website. You're going to learn a lot about how it's found, and hopefully we'll be able to put that to good use and learn from what analytics tells us. That's it for this time. In the future, maybe we'll go into a little bit more detailed about some of the advanced features of analytics and how we can use those to our advantage, or leverage them for our AdSense campaigns and everything like that. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Jeremy with Infinite Northwest. This has been Infinite Northwest's e-learning video series. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.